Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about 17393 Castroville Boulevard. Okay, it's all been cleared out, as you can probably see around me. This property sits on top of a 5-acre parcel, so we came up a long driveway. This property sits up here. It was a custom built back in 1972. Not a whole lot's been done inside since then, thus the price. Okay, so what we did is we just prepared it for the buyer to move forward, to make their improvements on the property. It's priced to sell. Okay, so preparing the property with defensible space, cut down a few trees. The interior of the property, as you can probably look at right here, the main level there is 4 bedrooms and it's 1 bath. Okay, great domed open beams, exposed ceiling as you enter the property, with peak views of all the way to Moss Landing. It's beautiful. Okay, very private. There is a gated, as we saw, the gate at the front, and you're coming up here and you have your own piece of paradise to do with whatever you would choose to do. The lower level is just a bonus big giant space, about 700 square feet. I would imagine upstairs is about 1,500. The lower level is just an open space, full bath, with closet, considered whatever you would like, okay? And that's attached to the 2-car garage, all right? To the left of me, there's a trail that leads up to the water tank, a 2,500 gallon water tank that was put in about 2018. It's a shared well with 6 houses. All inspections are done. County, sewer, well, home, and pests for you to come in and take over, do your due diligence, bring your buyers.